Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Podcast. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Mike. Hey, Sarah, how are you today?
I'm doing great, thanks. How about you?
Pretty good. A little tired, but happy to be here.
That's good. So today, we're going to help you practice English conversations for everyday situations. After this video, you'll know how to introduce yourself, talk about your day, and ask simple questions when you meet someone.
Yes, these are the conversations you need every single day. At work, at the store, with your neighbors, with new friends.
Exactly. And we're going to speak slowly and clearly, so don't worry. This is easy English for beginners.
Before we start, if you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe to Easy English Podcast. We make new videos like this every day to help you practice.
Yes, and if you like this video, click the like button. It really helps us. And share it with your friends who are learning English too.
Okay, ready to start?
Let's do it.
So, Sarah, let's imagine we just met. We don't know each other. What's the first thing we usually say?
Good question. Usually we say hello, and then we introduce ourselves. Like this. Hi, I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Sarah. I'm Mike.
See? That's easy. You say your name, and you say, nice to meet you.
Right. Now, let me ask you something. What if someone says, nice to meet you, to me? What do I say back?
You can say, nice to meet you too. That's the most common answer.
Nice to meet you too. Got it. So simple.
Yes, and you can also say, it's nice to meet you, or pleased to meet you, but nice to meet you is the easiest.
I like easy.
Me too.
Okay, so after we say hello and introduce ourselves, what comes next?
Usually, people ask, how are you?
Right. How are you, Sarah?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing well, thank you.
Perfect. So you can say, I'm good, I'm fine, I'm doing well, or I'm great.
What if I'm not feeling great? Can I say that?
Of course, you can say, I'm okay, or I'm a little tired.
I'm a little tired today, actually.
That's honest, and that's okay. You don't always have to say, I'm great.
Good to know. So for everyone watching, you can answer honestly. If you're tired, say I'm tired. If you're happy, say I'm happy.
Exactly. Be real. People like that. Now, let's practice asking questions. Mike, what do you do?
What do I do? You mean my job?
Yes, your job or what you study.
Oh, okay. I'm a teacher. I teach English. What about you, Sarah?
I work in marketing. I help companies with social media.
That's interesting.
Thanks. So everyone, when someone asks, what do you do? They're asking about your job or your studies.
Right. You can say, I'm a teacher. I'm a student. I work in sales. Or I'm a doctor.
Yes, very simple. Just say your job.
And if you're a student, you can say, I'm studying engineering. Or I'm studying English.
Perfect example.
Sarah, let me ask you another common question. Where are you from?
I'm from California. How about you?
I'm from Texas.
Nice. So, where are you from is a very common question when you meet someone new.
Yes, and you answer with your city or your country, like, I'm from Mexico, or I'm from Tokyo, or I'm from Brazil.
Exactly. Keep it simple.
Now, what if someone asks, where do you live? Is that different?
Good question. Yes, it's a little different. Where are you from means where you were born or where you grew up. Where do you live means where you live now.
Ah, okay. So I'm from Texas, but I live in New York now.
Perfect. That's a great example.
So for everyone watching, these are two different questions. Pay attention.
Okay, let's talk about hobbies. Mike, what do you like to do in your free time?
In my free time, I like to read. I also like to watch movies. What about you?
I like to cook, and I love listening to music.
Nice. So, what do you like to do in your free time is another common question.
Yes, and you can answer with your hobbies, like I like to play soccer, I like to draw, I enjoy hiking.
You can also say, I love or I enjoy.
Right, I love reading, I enjoy cooking. Same meaning.
And if you don't like something, you can say, I don't like watching TV, or I'm not a big fan of sports.
Yes, good point. You don't have to like everything.
Exactly.
Now let's practice talking about food. This is very useful in daily life.
Oh yes, food conversations are everywhere.
Mike, what's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza. I could eat pizza every day. What about you?
I love pasta, especially spaghetti.
Spaghetti is great.
So when someone asks, what's your favorite food, just say the food you like the most.
And you can add a little more, like, I love sushi. It's healthy and delicious.
Yes, that's good. Give a reason. It makes the conversation more interesting.
Right. You can say, I like tacos because they're tasty, or I enjoy salad because it's fresh.
Perfect examples. Sarah, do you drink coffee?
Yes, I drink coffee every morning. Do you? I do, but I prefer tea.
Oh, interesting. So, do you drink coffee or do you like coffee are common questions.
Yes, and you can answer, yes, I do, or no, I don't.
You can also say, yes, but I prefer tea, like Mike just did.
Right, that's a good way to show your preference.
For everyone watching, a preference means what you like more. So, Mike prefers tea. I prefer coffee.
Exactly.
All right, let's talk about the weather. This is a very popular topic in English.
Yes, people talk about the weather all the time.
Mike, how's the weather today?
It's sunny and warm, really nice. How's the weather where you are?
It's a little cloudy, but not cold.
So you can ask, how's the weather, or what's the weather like?
Yes, both are correct.
And you can answer, it's sunny, it's rainy, it's cold, it's hot.
Very simple words. You don't need complicated vocabulary.
Exactly. Just describe what you see outside.
Now, let's practice making plans. This is important for making friends.
Yes. Sarah, do you want to get coffee sometime?
Sure, that sounds nice. When are you free?
I'm free on Saturday. How about you?
Saturday works for me. What time?
How about 10 a.m.?
Perfect. See you then.
Okay, so we just made plans. Let's break it down.
First, you invite someone. Do you want to get coffee? Or do you want to hang out?
Then you ask when they're free. When are you free? Or what day works for you?
Then you suggest a time. How about Saturday? Or is Tuesday good?
And you confirm. See you then. Or sounds good.
Easy, right?
Very easy.
Let me ask you something, Mike. What did you do yesterday?
Yesterday, I went to the gym in the morning. Then I worked. In the evening, I watched a movie. What about you?
I worked from home. Then I cooked dinner and talked with my family.
Nice. So, what did you do yesterday is a common question about the past.
Yes, and notice we use past tense. I went, I worked, I watched.
Right. Not I go or I work. It's I went and I worked.
For beginners, this can be tricky, but just practice.
Yes, practice makes perfect.
Okay, everyone, we've practiced a lot today. Let's do a quick summary.
Good idea. So today we learned how to introduce yourself. You say, hi, I'm, and nice to meet you.
We learned how to ask, how are you? And answer with, I'm good or I'm tired.
We talked about jobs. What do you do? Answer,
I'm a teacher, or I work in marketing.
We learned the difference between where are you from and where do you live.
We practice talking about hobbies, food, drinks, and the weather.
And we learned how to make plans with someone.
That's a lot, but you can do this.
Now, here's what we want you to do. In the comments below, practice writing in English.
Yes. Tell us, where are you from? What's your favorite food? What do you like to do in your free time?
For example, you can write, "Hi, I'm Maria. I'm from Brazil. My favorite food is rice and beans. I like to dance."
Or, hello, I'm Ahmed. I'm from Egypt. I love pizza. I enjoy playing video games.
See? Easy. Just copy the style and write about yourself.
We read all the comments, and we'll reply to you. This is great practice.
Yes, writing helps you remember, so please, leave a comment.
Okay, everyone. Thank you so much for watching today.
We hope you feel more confident speaking English now.
Remember, learning English takes time. Don't worry about mistakes. Just keep practicing.
Tomorrow, we'll have another video for you. It's called Listen and Repeat, English Conversation Practice for Beginners.
Yes, it's another easy lesson, so make sure you come back tomorrow.
And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss it.
All right, see you tomorrow.
Bye everyone. Keep practicing.
Bye.